Good evening, friends. Welcome back on SMTV. And today I'm going to discuss about your self-respect, your self-dependent, your freedom, your liberation. That is so important in your life. Because without this, you cannot live your life with your freedom. So, guys, let's talk about it. So, guys, frankly, I tell you. You never try to depend upon someone. My concept is clear today, because lots of people, they are depend upon his parents, they are depend upon his big brothers, and after some time they notice that this is uncertain things, which I did, and after some time he has listened so many things. Oh, my dear friend, when your time finished, you will feel too hard, so my dear friend, avoid these things, and be a self-reliant, be a self-dependent, be. I am just giving a suggestions to the youngster. They are wasting a time, they are depend upon someone, and after some time when he realized that my times has expired and he cannot do anything, so this is my this is just like, I am giving a general awareness to the youngsters. Do not depend upon someone. This is so important in your life, and it has been a big mistake in your life, and so you cannot forgive yourself, when your time expired. So I'm giving a suggestion to the youngsters, and I'm giving advice to the people that avoid these things, and just stand on his leg. Basically, I tell those people um, who are depend upon someone like brothers, like parents, and they are not doing anything, and after some time, when he's get together, when he's staying with with his families, and there is lots of controversies, there is lots of criticism happened, so this moment, he cannot tolerate, when the brothers, when the some other person, they are annoying, they are they are just like act of possessive, so it is hurt a lot, and you cannot tolerate yourself, and you will hurt so many. So I think these things has to be avoid, and your parents, he is giving you supports, and sometimes it's happened, he's not able to do something for you, and who is responsible for this? Your big brothers, your uncles, your big person of your family members. He is responsible of your growth and development, so I think these things has to done by the responsible person, and one days, those responsible person, they are being a possessive, and they are taking it personal, and in fact, my friend, there is lots of uncertain things happened to every family, and there is no mean that the big responsible person, they are to be a possessive, they make something wrong with them, and they make they make act of obligation. I think this is a hurt someone. So I think people are struggling with these kind of activities, so I think it is very important, to understood these small things. It is a very small issues, but people's and mostly the family members, they are making it big issues, and there is lots of dispute happened, and there is lots of uncertainties, happened with your family. So avoid these kind of controversies, and all. My suggestion is only is that for those people who he's depend upon someone, he does not independent, independently he cannot work out, so I think this is a big problem, and you cannot take your decision in your life. So I think in a very early ages, you has to stand on your leg and go ahead, and think positively, and respect. I don't say like that, you don't respect to your elders, you don't respect to your relatives, but it is also responsibility of him to respect to the youngsters also, because I think there is no more difference between younger and elder brothers, so these kind of stupid things. I think it is killing responsibilities and family formalities. So I think these things has to done, these things had to set down. And so it is my simple suggestion to the people that do not depend upon someone. You do something, otherwise it is a big mistake in your life, and you cannot forgive yourself, otherwise it is a big mistake in your life. So my friend, still you have a time, and you can reform your ways. And so friends, what is my thought, that it doesn't mean that the younger brother, they don't have a feeling, they don't have respect. So I think these things happened in there is lots of conservative families, and these things happened in your families. There is lots of difference between big and small. So, and in a very simple language, I consider it, I convince it is wrong. The people are making a difference with the elders and with the youngers. So I think it has to be removed from the mind. So my friend, just I want to suggest you all that do not depend upon someone, whatever it is, the big person, whatever it is, the big brothers, whatever it is, your parents. You just do your things, you just stand on your leg, and nobody can blame on you that I have did lot of obligation for you, I have a lot of grateful to you. So friends, you don't have a right to say that I did a lot of things for you, and you cannot you cannot live your life in your freedom, you cannot liberate yourself. I don't know, I think it is wrong. And one more thing, that you cannot pressurize, you cannot force him to do something which is wrong. And you follow his respect, you follow him, his self-respect, because he cannot reply you. But I think you need to understand what kind of thoughts he have, and why he is not agree for that. You cannot force him to do something which is wrong. You did, it is your responsibility. And that's all for today. Thank you very much to being with us, and have a nice day and have a great time. Thank you very much.